Hi there, my name is Shinong and welcome to Talk in Korean. In this lesson, you will learn how to say what is it in Korean. Okay, let's get started. You know, in English, the question what is it could refer to anything we are not sure of. When we use the question, we don't need to indicate the object because the speaker and the listener both know which object is being referred to, right? In Korean, the casual or informal way of that question is 그건 뭐니? One more time. 그건 뭐니? We can just say 그건 뭐니? This version can be used when you ask the younger person or close friend. Okay? And the formal or polite version of that is 그것은 무엇입니까? One more time. 그것은 무엇입니까? We can ask, 그것은 무엇입니까? This version can be used when you ask the senior person. Okay? Here, 그건 means an abbreviation of 그것은. And also, 뭐 means an abbreviation of 무엇. Okay? Today, I've talked about how to say what is it in Korean. In the next lesson, you'll be learning how to answer the question, what is it? Okay? Remember that. The key to learning Hangul quickly is practicing it as much as possible. A new video is going to be uploaded to this channel every week. If you like, click the subscribe and follow along. Thank you for watching today. See you again next time. 다음 시간에 또 만나요. 안녕.